What's up, people? Welcome to Riding on Ruby. I'm Paul and this is Ruby. Alright, well, got Ruby out. I'm gonna go for the first ride of 2021. And we already fired her up. She fired right up. First try. Awesome. Had stabilizer in the fuel tank. Had her hooked up to the battery tender. Alright, so you know what? Let's just go out there, do a little quick ride. See how the Gopro setup's gonna be. And how the mic's gonna be. And if you're watching this video, then most likely it's because it was good enough to show. If not, then it wasn't. Alright, let's fire this baby up. Gotta love that sound. Here we go. Fourth gear, 29,000 RPMs. 2,900, I should say. Alright, I gotta pull down this visor because we're picking up too much wind sound. Alright, let's just see how that's gonna work out. Alright, boy, you gotta love this sound. 6-speed transmission. Here we go. Hopefully we're not picking up too much wind. Alright, here's 5th gear. 2,700 RPMs, 40 miles an hour. Haven't been able to get this up to the 8,000 RPM red line yet, and I only have about 178 miles. And you know, I got to get to that traditional 500 mile. Get to that 500 mile. Me off, didn't want to take his turn. Alright, 4th gear. Boy, I haven't ridden since we put Ruby away. It was Halloween Day 2020. At least she was warm, nice and warm in the house. Alright, these mirrors definitely got to be adjusted. Definitely can't see out of these. Alright, let's try that. I hate these turn signals. They don't self-cancel. 35. Alright, 40 miles an hour, 5th gear, 2,700 RPMs. Alright, I can only imagine if I pump this baby up to 8,000. Wow. Wow, a lot of wind. April here in Connecticut. Sometimes it's rains most of the month. Or it's really windy. You know, April showers bring May flowers. Well, they don't talk about the wind. Feels good to be back on Ruby. Alright, gonna go down to this nearby park, turn around, go back, and then basically just to see how this GoPro setup's gonna be. Gear, 2,900 RPMs. Want to keep this baby under 3,400 until I hit that 5. I don't know, I'm hearing a lot of wind. This ride might be for nothing. I got the Purple Panda microphone in there, and I got the cat on it, so I'm hoping that's gonna buffer some of the wind, but might have to end up going to a full face helmet and remounting it all over again. I hope you could hear that muffler. This Fire brand loose cannon muffler is awesome. $218 from Walmart.com. Go around this corner in a second. Gear, 3,000 RPMs, 35. Oh yeah, kind of cold. I think I should have zippered up my coat a little bit. I think it's only about 57 or something like that. Alright, here's the park. Oh, that's one thing it's going to take me a while to get used to, and that's these finding neutral in these bikes, these street bikes are like crazy. Alright, I'm zippering up. I'm sorry, but I'm not a cold person. Alright, yeah. Just getting used to this video stuff. Let's check out these mirrors again. It's just kind of hard to tell in a parking lot. Look at that American flag back there. Can you see that? Oh yeah. Alright, let's head back to the house. She's idling about between 1280 and 1350. about 65, 4,000 RPMs. Oops, I didn't do that, did I? All right. I just love the way this fire bland muffler sounds. Oh, this thing is so awesome. All right, let's just head back to the house and see if we can get Ruby locked up in the shed. I'm a little edgy about going into the shed. Right there, 3,000 RPM. Let's hit fifth gear. All right, yeah, here we go. 40, 2,900 RPM. So that's not bad for a little street 500. I mean, this bike was $7,500 list. The black ones are usually a little cheaper because the Wicked Red Deluxe paint scheme on this one, I think, was like about $1,200 more. So luckily people were too cheap to buy the red one, and I was able to end up getting it brand new in 2020 as a 2019 leftover. Boy, woo, it takes a while to get back to used to that wind again. All right. Oh, it feels so good to be back on Ruby, yeah. I still gotta do these mirrors. Oh yeah, she sounds good. This me, oh, forget it. People, thank you for waiting. I appreciate it. Oh, well, I just love that sound. Oh, yeah, what a feeling. Oh, it's just so good to be back out again. Be a lot better when I'm not such a little wuss and it's warmer. But definitely had to get this baby out. It's supposed to be 70 degrees this afternoon, but unfortunately I got a lot of stuff I got to do. Always got to check these blinkers because they don't shut off, man, and I really got to get used to that. Sorry I'm not talking much, but I'm just kind of more paying attention to this first ride after 6 months of sitting at home. Oh yeah, I just love this. Oh, there's nothing better. Oh, I forgot to tuck that stupid strap in. Oh well. That's a pitter-patter in my heart with excitement. Oh, you just gotta love this baby. I tell you, this Street 500 is good enough for me for now. Here's my neighbor. people. We're back. Alright, let's see if I could do something with this video. I hope it came out. Hopefully I'll learn to talk and drive at the same time. Alright, as usual people, hope you're safe. Peace out. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the ding-a-ling bell.